What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. What's up, my YouTube family? Hey to all of my subscribers, all of my new subscribers. We thank you all for joining. Welcome back to another video of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. And in today's video, I am showing you how to make nacho cheese. Yes, regular old nacho cheese. If you want to add meat to it, which is what I'm going to do later on, you can do that. But we're going to show you how to use nacho cheese using our local store, HEB, Easy Melt, which is the same thing as the block of Velveeta. It's nice, it's soft, it's nice and it's soft and it's pliable and it's very easy to melt. And so what we're gonna do is, well, what my husband is gonna do is we're gonna cut down this cheese into little squares, and it's going to be melted in the roaster with some milk, and we're going to add some Rotel to it, and then you'll have your nacho cheese. So stay tuned, and he's going to show you how to cut this up. But she's going to show you how, or show you about how big he's making the squares. That's about how big you want it right there. And that is so that it can break down easily. It's so it can break down easily. That's all. So we'll be right back when we meet you at the roaster. So I have my roaster here. You can use a crock pot if you have a crock pot, but I have a roaster. Right now it's on 250. And we have cut up the cheese. Actually, we showed you earlier, we cut up the cheese. And we're going to take that cheese, which is in this bowl, and it's all meld together, and we're gonna just dump it right on in. And just so we don't have a whole burned up mess, we're going in with some milk. This is whole milk. If you can use 2% milk, if that's what you have, then use 2% milk. But whole milk to me is better when you're making your cheese. My roaster will burn some stuff, so I had to go ahead and go in with that milk. I'm gonna add a little more milk. And we just want to get it to where it's melted down. And I'm going to turn this down to about 175. And we're gonna let this cook low and slow. I have a can of Rotel. This was like the last Rotel that they had, which was 28 ounces. So we're gonna put half of that in there for now. If I need to put the other half later, I will. But the idea is to make sure that it does not stick, of course. Doesn't burn, because ain't nobody got time for burnt cheese. And make sure that it's melted down really well, which is the purpose of cutting these into little squares so that it breaks down faster. So we're back with the nacho cheese. This is what it looks like about halfway there. Still got some little square cheese chunks in there, but we added the Rotel. We haven't put any seasoning or anything in this, and I didn't because we have a little bit of taco meat that we're going to add to it. I'm going to go ahead and add that right now. We have seasoned this. Seasoned it up, rinsed off all of the oil, excess oil. So we're just gonna add it to the meat, which is gonna add some extra flavor to the meat. And this is your nacho cheese. You can taste, and that meat just took it over the edge. That's what it do. It take it over the edge for flavor. Again, if you need to add more milk later on, which I'm going to turn the heat up on this now that the meat is in there. If you need to add more milk, make sure that you do that. So we'll be back.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best channel on YouTube. So make sure that you spread the word and you get us to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We are so close. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.